In this video, I'm about to compare Ultrahuman Ring AIR and Galaxy Ring. The Ultrahuman Ring AIR and the Galaxy Ring are wearable devices but have different features. The Ultrahuman Ring AIR is a wearable focused on metabolic health, offering real-time glucose monitoring and personalized insight. It provides a detailed understanding of how your body responds to food, exercise, and lifestyle choices, making it ideal for those looking to improve their metabolic fitness. However, it may provide as much detail in other areas like sleeping tracking compared to devices like the Oura Ring. The Galaxy Ring is a stylish and tech-savvy wearable designed for those who want seamless integration with the Samsung ecosystem. It tracks essential health metrics like heart rate, sleep, and activity levels, making it a solid choice for users interested in general wellness tracking. Additionally, the battery life, typically lasting a few days, is shorter compared to some competitors. In my opinion, the Ultrahuman Ring AIR is better for fitness tracking, while the Galaxy Ring may excel in Samsung integrations. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.